This is one of my gallery pieces. It's a charcuterie platter, but people display this as art when it's not in use. The lighting in the shop is probably just washing out the colors, but there's some amazing rippled colors in this. Just a fabulous piece. This is Buckeye Burl. And, yesterday I watched a video from Skylar Ewing over at Sawdust and Splinters, and she was using her Carnauba wood and finish and polish on blank wood. So I thought, this has already been finished, but it's ready for a refresher. I normally use my board butter on this stuff, but I thought I'd go ahead and apply this and then use the buffing system. I think the Carnauba wax is going to give a nice protective layer on the wood, and it'll give a good sheen on the resin. Of course, the resin doesn't soak up any of the wax, but the wood will. So this was originally wet sanded to 5,000 grit. So the wood is not going to absorb as much wax as I would like. Let's see what it does. All right, time to make some noise. And I might have to do this one-handed because I don't want the charcuterie board flying all over the place. Let's see. All right. So I like the sheen. I'm going to wipe off the excess. Yeah, that did a really nice job. It's got a nice coat of the wax on there. I think it's got a nice protective layer. It made the resin pop a little bit. Again, unfortunately, I don't think you're going to see the amazing colors, but I think in the future with my resin pieces, I'm going to go ahead and finish it up with this Carnauba wood finish and polish.